Hi everybody, Asha here. Now we're really interested, me and my daughter Ava, in birds, and we think we're going to take part in the Great Garden Bird Watch, which is the counting of all the garden birds that you can see when you look out in your garden over the weekend, and it's going to start next weekend. So you can get all the information you need on the RSPB website. That's where we found out about it too. So what we're going to do today is to get ready for that. We're going to make some delicious bird kebabs. Now that's not kebabs made out of birds. It's kebabs that the birds are going to love to eat, and that will attract them to our garden so that we can see them. So what we need is some bread, some cheese, any hard cheese, we've got cheddar there, some apples and some raisins, some wire, we've got some garden wire, and some string. Right, so what you need to do is get your grown-up to help you with this bit of cutting up the cheese into little cubes ready to be put on the wire, and also to cut the apple into little chunks. You can leave the skin on, and then you can tear the bread into little bits. Right, we're ready to put things on the wire. Now I'm going to get the wire and push the wire through the fruit so that it sticks on, and then a bit of cheese goes through the wire, and then a raisin or two or three, and then a piece of bread. And you can keep on going until you've filled up the whole wire, leaving a little bit at the top for us to close it at the top. Right, when you've finished your bird kebab, this is what it's going to look like. It's all filled up. Left a little bit at the ends of the wire so that you can fold them up to close the wire so that all the fruit and the cheese doesn't fall off. And then we're going to use our string so that we can hang it in a tree. Tie a little knot. And it's ready to go.